Good morning, children. Let's learn about word problems of addition. Children, we have seen and solved problems that look like these ones. Okay? Like 174 plus 498. This is addition. 401 minus 105. You have seen and solved this kind of problems. But sometimes a problem is written out as a sentence or a story. Sometimes a problem is written out as a sentence or a story. This kind of problem is called a word problem. Children, to solve word problem, what we have to do? So, we will call this word problem as addition stories. We have to read the problem first. So, these stories, addition stories, give us information and then ask us to find something. So we have to understand really what the information given is and what we have to find out. Then we have to find the answer. To solve word problem, we have to first understand what we are being asked to do. Add, subtract, multiply or divide. Now children, there are some word problem addition vocabulary like in all, plus, combined, together, added to, some, more, in total, increased by, all together. When all these kinds of words are used in a story, it means we need to add. Now children, here with the help of word problem, we see that the story should be interesting and we have to find out the information which is given by the story and then we have to find the answer. So children, let us take an example. Worksheet 1, question number 1A. Listen carefully children. Firstly, read the story attentively and then understand. Understanding is very much important because unless you understand the story, you won't be able to get the information and then you won't be able to find out the question and then you won't be able to get the answer. Now, this is a question number 1. A. In an examination, 29,456 candidates passed while 57,281 candidates failed. How many candidates appeared for the examination? So children, in this story, first one is understanding the keywords. What are the understanding the keywords punchline of this story? Passed, failed. These are the important keywords of the story. And appeared. These three keywords are the totally important for this story in order to find out how many. So children, firstly past. How many past? 29,456. Who have passed? The candidates who have appeared in the examination. Some candidates appeared in the examination. Out of those candidates, 29,456 passed, and next punchline is keyword is failed. So, how many failed? 57,281. So, children, let's write down the numbers. 29,456. What is it? The question must, I think, appears in your mind. What is this? 29,456. Okay. Passed candidate in the examination. What is this? 29,456. Passed candidate. Passed candidates. Now come to next. 57,281. What is this? Okay, failed candidates. Failed candidates are 57,281. Failed candidates. Okay. Now, how many candidates appeared? This is the answer is hidden in this question. How many candidates appeared? It means total. In total. So, total candidates. Total means plus. Total candidates appeared. It means 29,456 plus 57,281. 29,456 plus 57,281. Let's add them. 6. According to the rule of addition, all of you know we start from the extreme right side, ones place. 6 ones plus 1 ones, 7 ones. 5 tens, 8 tens, 13 tens. Out of 13, 100 will go in the 100 column as a carryover and 3 will come in the tens column. Now, taking this carryover of the 100 column, 100 plus 400 plus 600, it is 700. Now come to the 1000 column, 9,000 plus 7,000, 16,000. It has 110,000 and 6,000. So 6,000 will come in the 1000 place and 110,000 will go as a carryover. Now adding this 10,000, 110,000 plus 210,000 plus 710,000 is 810,000. So total candidates are 86,737. This is the answer. This is the solution. We find the result. We find the answer. How we have find? By addition. Because total candidate. How many candidates appear? It means total. Total means addition. Now children, let us take another example. B. In a school library, there are 11,250 science books, 21,312 maths book and 20,143 Hindi books. Children, you have seen library and also you used to go in the school library or in your community library in your area. So in library, the books are arranged according to the subjects in your school and the topics also according to the languages. So here the story is in a school library. It is a story related to the library which is in the school. In a school library there are 11,250 science books, 21,312 maths book and 20,143 Hindi books. Find the total number of books in the library. So here, so what information? This story gives us some information. What is the information? The information is, the punchline is science book, science books, maths books, Hindi books. This is the information. And the total number of books. This is the punchline of this story. So this story gives us the information about science books, maths books, Hindi books, and to find out total number of the, and next it asks us to find something. So what this story tell us to find something? Find which thing we have to find? We have to find total number of books. So this is the information the story gives us and ask us to find out total number of books. So here 11,250, 11,250, 20,143, 21,312. I have written this number. 11,250, what is it? 20,143, what is it? 21,340, what is this? Now let's see the story related to this number. 11,250. 11,250 science books. So, number of science books are 11,250. Now come to what is it? 20,143. 20,143 Hindi books. Number of Hindi books. 20,143. And what is 21,312? 21,312 are maths book. So number of maths books. This is the information what we get from the story. Now from this information, and then this story asks us to find something. Total number, bingo, total number. Total number is the addition vocabulary. Total number. This is addition vocabulary. So what is the meaning of total? Plus. So now we arrange this number 11,250. What books? Science books. 20,143 Hindi books. And 21,312 maths book. So total. So we have to add. According to the rules of addition, let's add from ones place. 1, 0 ones, 3 ones, 2 ones. 3 ones plus 2 ones is 5 ones. Now come to tens. 5 tens, 4 tens, 9 tens plus 1 tens, 10 10. So here at 10 place it will be 0 and 100 place will go as a 1 carryover. So adding 100, 100 plus 200, 300 plus 1, 400 plus 3, 700s. Now come to thousands. 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000. Now come to the 10,000. 1 10,000 plus 2 10,000 plus 2 10,000. It's 5 10,000. So the total number of books are 52,000. So total number of books equal to 52,705. This is the answer. In this way, we have firstly understood the story and then we have, after understanding the story, after understanding the story, we get the information, we understand the story, and then we find out what is the problem, and then we try to solve the problem and uh, satisfy the question of this story. So here in this story, ask us to find total number of books, and total word is the vocabulary of addition, total number. So total number of books are 52,705. So children, similarly you have to do this A and B as your classwork, and rest of the questions are your homework of this worksheet. Bye bye children, have a nice day.